Hi, Dr. Robinson here, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer by going to your task manager and just disabling your startup menus. The quickest way to get there is Control Shift, and then I want you to hit Escape. Control Shift Escape. Go ahead and Windows up arrow and maximize the screen so you can get to it easier. If you're a screen reader user, you're going to Control Tab. I'm just going to show you with your mouse where you're going with it. Yep, all the way over the left-hand side. But I'm going to go ahead and Control Page Down. I think I said Control Tab. Control Page Down, and you can immediately get there so much quicker. And then you're just going to tab once and you immediately pop into it. Now you're going to see all of my programs that are disabled. Now, every time you do a computer update, because I already disabled Firefox a long time ago. So I'm going to hit my applications key, or you can do a right click, and you're going to hit D for disable or down arrow to disable and disable that. So that will stop starting up. Mobile devices, you can do first letter navigation. I'm just going to go over here with the mouse, and I'm going to hit M for mobile devices. That's also another one I have disabled several times. So this is not a one and done. Once you do it, and every time you do a major update, you're going to have to come back and you're going to have to do it again. So I'm going to go ahead and not hit my Windows key. I'm going to go ahead and hit my applications key or right click on it, and I'm going to disable it again. Quickly, now I don't want to disable my OneDrive because I really do want to get that starting. I don't want to disable my security ever. If you're a JAWS user, you never want to disable your JAWS or your audio card. Or if you have any type of special, keyboard or whatever, you don't want to disable that. As soon as you disable that and close your computer and restart your computer, it will speed up just incredibly fast. Now, I do want to mention, please do your updates, hit your start key, UPDAT, do a space, and oops, I'm thinking of I'm thinking of something totally different. Check for updates, UPD will typically bring up check for updates. Open it up, and then move it into position. Check your updates constantly. When your computer starts acting really, really badly, typically there's an update to be had. I will tell you, it is really easy to just tab one more time, get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Check that. Just put it on. If you're always constantly having issues and then you discover it's because of an update, just turn that on and it will update in the background. Yep, it will slightly slow down your computer. You will notice a difference, especially if you're a screen reader user. But once you get your computer up to date all the time, it just moves so much faster. Another must, and this actually increases the speed of your network. You want to Windows R, type in %temp percent, and you're going to open that, and you're going to, let me move that into position. You're going to do a Control A. You want to do a Shift Delete so it bypasses your recycle bin. It'll ask you, are you sure you really want to do this? And hit Enter on Yes. Then another dialog box opens, folder in use, because you cannot get rid of what you're actively using. So you just do an Alt A and you do an Alt S to skip it and skip it. And you do that every day also, and that will speed up your computer tremendously. So those three are the big ones. There's a lot, don't get me wrong, but those are three huge ones. Okay, I hope that helped, and we'll see you in the next Tech Vision, Tech Tips, and more.